Imagine you stepping into office on a dress like this on a typical Monday. Most definitely, you are going to be the signature of that ambience at that very moment and that very day. And what we tend to do with this video is to show you that with our fabric, you can as well dress corporates. With that, we are welcoming you back again to another awesome moment of fashion, your number one channel of choice, where we bring you the best of African fashion, fashion what. Today's video is going to be about corporate African fashion dresses and styles. The week is winding up, and by tomorrow we are going to be entering into a brand new working week. And you know what we do on the first day of working week like that, we endeavor to present you with beautiful, gorgeous, stunning, dapper styles that will make you feel comfortable on the job during the working week, and you will still look sharp. And that is what we tend to do with the styles rolling by on your screen. They are styles made with some predominantly Ankara fabric, while some have some Ankara patches on them, just to bring that Afrocentric vibe to them. And the styles are for every beautiful, gorgeous lady who loves to appreciate their own, African print wax wherever they find themselves. And just check them out. You can see that you can put on this anyway, and you will still compete favorably in terms of physical appearance, in terms of poise, finesse, and swag. And that is what we intend to do with this very video. Just as usual, sit back, relax, and get that maximum styles inspiration from the collections of styles we have brought to you today, from the beginning to the end. And most definitely you'll be glad you did. All pros and credit in this video goes to those highly resourceful fashion designers who put all this together and avail us the opportunity of showcasing them to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy this lovely video. If you are thought below in the comment section, share this video with family and friends. Also, going to spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the globe. And give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting. And don't forget to share this video. And don't forget to subscribe by mate. And put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this platform. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs. Wishing you a blessed, rewarding, fulfilling working week in advance. See you at the end of the video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.